is like a pattern from the middle of winter. That's what we're feeling, and this is a historic temperature this morning.
Record breaking.
Record breaking. We did it, everybody. Whether you like it or not. That's the okay, so it feels like the middle of winter. It's 11 degrees out currently in Green Bay. 6-mile-per-hour wind. Oh, sure, that's giving us a wind chill. I'll get to that in a second, but it's 11. The old record was 12, set all the way back in 1933. So after a very warm October, here we are in November, doing completely the opposite. So here are our current temperatures. It's only 9. This is not a wind chill map. These are the actual temperatures. 9 in Appleton, 2 in Antigo, 7 Watoma and Mountain. Now let's factor in the wind. The wind chills feel like 3 below in Oshkosh, 1 below in Appleton. I can't believe this is the beginning of November to mid-November. This is feeling like the middle of winter for us. Now, things do get a little bit better as we head through the day as far as forecasted wind chills back into the teens and 20s. But either way you cut it, that still feels like winter, so dress accordingly. Now, that's just one part of our story today. Look at this. Out over Lake Michigan, because of all of this cold air, it's called a delta T, so there's a difference in temperature with height and the moisture over the lake. Well, we're going to shift our winds out from over the lake over land, and that's going to bring some of us some lake effect snow shower activity. Now, forecasting the lake effect is always very tricky, but still, that potential going to exist as we shift our winds. And if you get under one of these lake effect snow showers, it could bring you some snow accumulation. Then kind of this break this evening, then late tonight off to the north, some more snow, and then way off to the west, see those low pressures? Those heading our way for Saturday. And that could bring some of us some snow and a couple of us some rain. But either way, as far as today, Arctic cold is in place. That slowly starts to change as we go into the upcoming week. I'll get to that in a second. Let's time all of this out for you. A lot to talk about today. So here's that wind starting to shift, coming off of the lake, giving some of us some lake effect snow shower activity. Again, very tricky with the lake effect. If you get under one of them, could see some accumulation. Then we see this break, and then watch late tonight off to the north, mainly some of us with a little bit of snow accumulation, maybe up to an inch to a trace in spots. To the south, not much going on. And then watch as we go through the day tomorrow. Here comes another low pressure. Some of us with some snow, some of us with some rain. It's going to be really close. Temperature going to be key, but some of us could see out of this up to an inch of accumulation. And that could be some of us who haven't seen the snow accumulate yet. That's Green Bay, that's Appleton. A little bit more off to the north because of that overnight snow tonight, but still be aware. You could see accumulating snow tomorrow. Cameron Moreland will probably tweak the forecast a little bit as we get closer. But as far as today, some of us could see some lake effect snow showers. If you see some accumulation, don't be surprised out of that. Lake effect forecasting tricky. Only 28 degrees. That's it. Feeling like winter today. For tonight, a chance of snow, mainly off to the north. That's that next system that's on the way. And then for tomorrow, some of us with some snow, some of us with some rain mixing in. If you do see the snow, up to an inch of accumulation there at 34 degrees. So again, our temperature is going to be cool enough, but if you warm it up a degree or two, then more of us could see that as rain, like a couple nights ago. And then Sunday, most of the day looking quiet, looks like right now. And then Monday, quiet as well. At least, Brooke, as we go into next week, a moderation in the temperatures, but we are caught with winter. I mean, it feels like the middle of winter right now.
Through today, it's chilly out there.
Yeah.
Don't forget the hats and gloves for the kiddos.
Oh yeah, there's that.
All right, thanks.